Hello Ride On people, I have just spent 59 bucks on this Cyclone lightweight kind of blower. It's got a soft rubber nozzle, a 10-foot power cord, and it's very lightweight and very small. Sort of thing that's ideal for cleaning every nook and cranny on a motorcycle, particularly things like Harleys or adventure bikes like the GS, where you've got a lot of interesting and intriguing shapes that you want to get the water out of, so you don't end up with unsightly streaks or rusting in those particular areas. So I've been furiously washing the bike, and it's looking nice and clean now, but it's soaking wet still. So I've got my little Cyclone blower here, and let's give it a go and see how well it does. So there we have it. Not bad for something that's cheapest chips to buy. Its only problem really is a short power cable, but you could always. It's only about 10 foot long, so you really need a mains extension lead to be able to use it fully around the bike. But it's all right. Nice little bit of kit. This is all soft rubber hosing, so it's not going to harm the bike in any way. And it'll never get the bike completely dry, of course, but it's a lot lighter and cheaper than a leaf blower, and pretty good just for getting off the excess before you dry it with a cloth. So anyway, short and sweet video. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.